Hey Jammers, it is the Yellow Leaves Fall AJ here. Today I'm going to be trying to get a short spike or at least a long wrist. I am building my worth up still and I've really just been trying. So I think I'm going to put stuff on my trade and see if anybody will take a long wrist, or I will at least try to get den betas. And I'm just basically going to be working my way up to a spike wrist or a spike collar. So let's go. So first I'm going to start off in Jamaa Township, and I'm just going to go around and I'm going to see what people have on their list. And she looks rare, so she does have spikes, but I do not have the worth or the rarity to trade for those quite yet. So I'm just going to go around until I can find somebody with a rare spike on their trade list. Oh man, not many people are on today. Okay, so I've been looking for quite a while now and I can't find anybody quite yet. Okay, so I found somebody with a short spike wrist and I'm going to try and trade for it. Usually they're only worth like one den beta if I'm not wrong. Let me look it up real quick. Yeah, so they're only worth one den beta. And then of course you have the best ones and stuff. I think my trade is about fair because Jamaa bows are only worth one. Well, the white and black are worth 2 or 3. But these ones are only worth 1, so it's a pretty over trade actually. So let's see if we get it. She declined, so I guess we're gonna move on. Okay, maybe if we change one of the things, we'll see. She still declined. Okay, so this girl has a lot of them. We'll try for these, and we'll see if we get one. She declined. Actually, it may have looked like she just went offline or something. So far, not starting off good. Okay, she's got a lot of spikes on her trade too. So I'm gonna go ahead and try for the wristband because I'm not rare enough to try for a collar quite yet. I mean, I have like my spike, but I'm not trading that away. This is worth, I don't remember. I looked it up, but I don't remember. It's worth 1 clothing beta or a few rims, at least in the color that I have. Sorry, that was my schoolwork, you seen. Alright, so we're gonna try that, but yeah, I didn't think so. That was a quick decline, wow. So honestly, I might not get lucky in this video because for some reason, half of these worlds are empty and half of them are gone. So I may not get that lucky. Okay, so this person has one on trade, but again, I don't think that I am rare enough for it, but we're gonna try. So I'm gonna throw a bow in there, I'm gonna throw a few bows in there, and we'll throw these Arctic hoods in there, and we'll see if we get it. They declined this trade too. Oh, this non-member article has Alot on trade, and again, we're going to try for, I don't know exactly how much the blue ones are worth, but we're going to try. Okay, so I said she couldn't trade right now, so I'm guessing she's AFK. Oh, and if you hear jingles, it's because my dog is up here, and he's got tags on his collar, so it's a bit noisy. Okay, so this challenge was pretty much a fail because of how much people were not on. So I may try this tomorrow in a part 2. Like, subscribe, and tell me any hacks or tips that helped you gain rarity because I really need it since I was hacked. But yeah, let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.